I want to talk today about the concept of early termination of probation. Now, I get calls all the time from people who tell me, look, I'm on probation, felony probation or misdemeanor probation, and it's supposed to be 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, and I'd like to get it terminated early. And this is often possible. Let me first address the issue of what are the benefits of early termination of probation. First of all, it can help with applying for a job or a state license, because if they do a background check, you don't want it to show that you're actively on probation in a criminal matter. It's much better to show that probation has been terminated and the matter has been expunged. Also, once probation is terminated, you cannot be violated. You cannot suffer a probation violation. While you are on probation, if you do suffer a violation, and that could be because you violate a term and condition of probation, it could be because you pick up a new case, it could be because you miss a court date. With any of these things, the judge can violate your probation and send you to jail for up to the maximum term of the original offense that you're on probation for. But once probation is terminated, then it's over and the judge can no longer do that. So there's a lot of benefits to early termination of probation. Another question is, when can I do it? And the answer is, theoretically, the judge could terminate probation at any time while you're on probation. But usually the judge will want to see you complete at least 1 or 2 years of the probation term. Sometimes the judge will do it earlier than that, but usually they'll want to see 1 or 2 years or maybe half of the probation term completed. The judge will also want to see that you satisfied all the terms and conditions of probation. So, for example, if you were ordered to pay victim restitution, or to pay fines, or to do community service or Caltrans, the judge is going to want to see that you completed all of that before he or she will really entertain the motion for early termination. In terms of how we do it, we file a motion in court. It's under Penal Code section 1203.3. And the judge will hold a hearing in court where the prosecutor will present their position and the defense lawyer will present your position. And ultimately, the judge will decide. Now, our firm has done this literally hundreds and hundreds of times across California. And we've had a very, very high success rate at convincing judges to grant early termination. If you're on probation for a felony and it's a wobbler offense, many times we can get the felony reduced to a misdemeanor in the same hearing at the same time that probation is terminated. And almost always we can get the matter expunged. That is, the case dismissed and the criminal conviction expunged at the same time as the early termination. If you're in this situation, if you're on probation for a criminal matter anywhere in California, and you believe you qualify and you would like help in getting an early termination, we invite you to call us here at Schaus Law Group. Tell us your circumstances. We'll see what we can do to accomplish this for you.